guys. This Hunter, co-worker. I haven't even got to tell you guys or show you guys. Well, I did tell you guys I had a new job, but I haven't got to even like show you anything about that. I can't show you much, but about the new job, whatever. But anyways, as you can see from the title, we were forced to move out of our townhome because it had termites, and there's so much that goes into it. But basically, what happened, or what is happening, the termites swarm this time of year, and they sometimes get in your house or whatever. But they were like, I'll show you the clip here, but there was a lot in the townhouse. It happened Monday night last week, which I think today is the 26th, 5th, something like that. Monday last week, that's when I was playing video games downstairs, came up, and I saw them. They just started multiplying like by the second. We had to get the baby up, go to the hotel. Baby was screaming, obviously. Came back Tuesday, they told us we needed to tape up everything, whatever. And it was, oh my gosh. And then it didn't happen Tuesday night. It happened Wednesday night, I killed most of them. And then it happened again on Thursday night. And we were like, we're done, we're going to break the lease. She got in contact with an attorney. Attorney said you should be able to break because it's inhabitable. And freaking, we moved the next day. Like, we packed up everything. Actually, we couldn't even pack. We just got everything and moved. We had to the 31st to move out, and they had to pay any lease breaking agreement or whatever. It was hell. We just got done moving yesterday. Like, today is Tuesday, so we got done moving Monday. We started on Saturday. We started packing stuff on Friday, and oh my gosh, dude, it was hell. And then I guess the thumbnail of this video is probably going to be my car, the bumper. I don't know, somebody hit it, I don't know what happened, but the thing popped out right under the headlight, and I had to get that tucked back in by Platinum. So I'm on the way to get it now. It's not completely fixed, there's still a little something wrong with it, but I'll get that checked out when I go and get the bumper painted. Oh my gosh, I still feel like my pockets are turning inside out right now. I'm spending like so much money in the past freaking week. But yeah, that's what's going on, and yeah, I guess I'll see you when I see you.
What's up, man?
Picking up a key. Alright guys, so here you go. Freaking somebody hit it or something. I don't know what happened, but they popped it back out. This popped up and whatnot. I'll probably get it checked out when I go get the bumper repainted. I'm so annoyed. It has not been a very good week at all. Oh my god, the seats off my back. And then yeah, that piece freaking fell off again. I got another piece I need to reattach here. I might just get a new car, man. I was like, I'm not going to get a new car. And now I'm just like, I might need to get a new car. I want to get a new scat pack. Alright, with that being said, it is time to go check out Zach's Lambo. I wanted to get that cold start for you guys. That sounds real good. Obviously it does. It's very freaking hot. Zach, my guy. Well, actually, we're going to the townhome first to get back the keys. I gotta take the trash out and check the mail, and then we're gonna give back the keys, and then I am gonna go check out Zach's all-black Gallardo Spider, my favorite. Oh my gosh! If I could get a Gallardo, it'd be just like that. But we're gonna go check that out. It has white interior. Oh yeah, let's go. I'll show you the townhome first and see if I can find any termites for you. All right, in the old townhome. It smells like an old house in here. Let's see if I got it. So we got some termites right here. They're all over the steps. Let's see if there's more. Can't really see any right there. They're all down there. It's too dark to see, but guess I'm gonna go ahead and get the heck out of here. Yeah, guys, it kind of sucks because we were so excited to live here. You know, there's a lot of space and all that stuff, and now we can't. There's some termites right there you probably can't really see. And we're forced to move because of freaking termites. But I'm gonna give you a little tour of the new apartment. All I need to do is grab the trash bags and get out of here. Man, oh man. So if anybody wants this townhouse, it's 1113 Aruba Circle. I'm obviously not living here anymore, so it was nice while it lasted. Alrighty guys, that's the end of that, and we're gonna head to Zach's house right now and check out this Lambo, or actually his whole collection. So let's go. Alright guys, I'm here. Obviously, this is my favorite car here, but we're gonna get to that last. Got a Tiger King. That's the first thing that came to my mind. I don't know if did you do that after Tiger King or
right before?
Well,
I started it before and then it finished.
Yeah, yeah, I remember seeing this. I'd drive the hell out of this, bro. This is probably the only truck I'd buy if I had to buy one like right now. This is Targa that was white. It is highlighter something. This is a GTS we had at Porsche that I actually really like this.
Was gloss.
Yeah, it was gloss. It's satin now. Oh my gosh, how far back does it go? Oh my goodness, this is I don't even know what to say. It's insane. Obviously this is a freaking the Wraith. Yeah, this was what was this the blue one? Was this
navy blue?
It was navy blue before.
Yeah. So we left the silver on top. She liked that.
Oh my goodness, I've driven this one a couple of times actually. This is my favorite. If I could, my dream garage would be that exact Gallardo and a Wraith. Oh my gosh, dude. Goes back some more. Another don't tell me. Phantom? No, Drophead.
Phantom
Drophead,
yeah.
Phantom. Oh, keeps going. Maserati. I think you guys saw this one on the channel before. Another truck.
The garbage.
Oh my, it goes all the way back. G-Wagon, Mustang, and a, I can't tell what that is. Bentley. Oh my goodness. I think there's more, right? Somewhere.
There's more. They're not here right now.
There's more. Not here right now.
I have
one
a
day.
full-size Phantom getting wrapped again.
Yep. Oh yeah, he has another yeah, 3 Rolls Royces. By the way, guys, if I didn't mention that before. Oh, and there's this boat right here. Sounds pretty good. Right now, I think we're gonna go check out this new GT4 because I haven't seen it in person. Oh yeah, forgot about this. Show you the interior on this bad boy. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is exactly what I would get if I were to get like my first Lambo or something. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna be dreaming about this all freaking day and night. Oh, so it's a rear-wheel drive?
Yeah.
What? Oh my gosh.
50th anniversary, so that's why I can sell the diamond stitch and all that.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, it feels so good to be by a Lambo again. I gotta sell freaking something. I'm gonna sell drugs. Maybe not drugs, but that 50th anniversary was right there. Oh my gosh. Can we get it started up? In the world, guys. Look at this. What in the world, man? Guys, I feel right at home in a Lambo. It's so weird because the front is like way out there, and so oh my gosh, dude, I'm just gonna put the camera down and ride unless we get pulled over and something. I gotta pull the camera out. This makes me so nervous.
Lift system.
Front lift is
my old one didn't have the lift, and I paid for it.
Oh god,
a lot.
Oh, you're getting the California too, right?
I am, yeah, coming this week.
Oh man, I think am I too old to adopt? Right? I think I'm too old to adopt. It's wide open out here. So smooth. so smooth. Golly. All right, guys, we're here to go harass Camelot, and actually see that GT4 right there. But you guys saw Camelot's car.
What turd is that over there?
I don't know. This blue freaking turd. It looks like a gay man drives it. Nothing's wrong with being gay. I'm just saying. They're making fun of Camelot. You guys saw it in my last video. You guys loved it. I'm trying to get him to do a straight pipe, I promise. He's saying he's not, but I'm going to try to get him to do it.
He's gotta do it.
Has to. Oh, look at that.
I'm trying to, so I want to wrap the California that's coming the same wrap as Boxster. And if I can convince the wife that she
you
likes
should definitely do that.
then I'll-
Because there's red, right?
It's white. Red
The
is
California is?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh, Camelot's get the keys right now. Ow. You guys gonna see how we used to mess with Camelot, dude? We used to put these and we stacked them all up on his desk and we stacked them like that. Oh, come on, stay. Yes, bro.
No.
He's gonna put a deposit on it today.
Yeah, well. Everyone does that. He's either write him a check and walk away with it, or
Oh my gosh, dude.
At this point, I learned that.
Woo! That sounds so good. Oh. I like that.
It actually is really
Nice.
quick to cold start.
Oh, that smell.
I put every freaking option on it. 18 way seats. White dial.
That's probably the guy that's actually probably going to buy it and sit in it, but.
Yeah, I grew Damn.
Oh,
Sounds a lot louder from outside.
goodness, dude.
You want to rev it up a little bit?
Yeah.
It's impressive.
Oh my. All right.
So, when you actually get going with this.
Heading out. Goodbye, GT4. That Taycan in there is really nice. It's all black with, I think that was like Cohiba or I don't even know.
Chocolate brown.
Yeah, freaking interior was nice, dude. Nice.
Back.
Guys, look at that. It's about to rain on us. You kind of feel it. It's getting cooler. The wind is getting cooler. The breeze, I should say.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna buy one of these. Give me 4 years. I don't know how the heck I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get one. It might not even be a 4. This is a 14. It might have to be a 04 or something. Well, maybe not at that point, but I don't know. We'll see. I need one of these. Alright, guys, you know how much I really want a bike, but this Bentley, he's selling the Bentley and the Mustang. This is actually used to be John. I can't even say it, but we're gonna look at some bikes. Oh my goodness.
It's the man cave.
I should just walk out right now. Guy was just literally just talking to my friend about bikes just now, like 2 hours ago. Just, oh man, I want a bike so bad. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. It's starting to rain. I'm gonna head home and probably just gonna hop on the grill, but I don't really think I'm gonna do that now. Let me start the cars up for you guys. He's gonna have to put the top down on that. Ooh. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I'll always be back to see these cars. I forgot to show you that. I completely forgot about this. I will see you when I see you, because I'm definitely going to be back here. Peace.